If you have committed to host a party and have no clue where to begin, you have landed at the right place. The guest list, food and drinks, decoration and games, there's so much to do. It is easy for you to get lost in the preparation and not have time to enjoy on the day of the party. Well, I won't let that happen. Check out these 5 amazing party planning apps to throw a bash your guests will be talking about for the rest of the year. Five apps to help you throw a lit party. Invite. What is the most tedious part of organizing a party? Making and mailing the invites. Before you begin planning an event, you need to get an idea of how many people will be there. You don't want to be left with uneaten food because some of them didn't show up. Use Invite, available for iOS and Android, to invite your guests with personalized invitation. This app has a variety of design templates to choose from. You can also send invitations via text or email. It also allows you to nudge guests who haven't responded and create polls for a party and food idea. Pepper plate. Are you organizing a party and too many meal suggestions from family and friends confusing you? Here, Pepper Plate comes to your rescue. With this app, you can manage recipes, create menus, plan meals, share recipes, and make shopping lists. When cooking, the app even has a handy timer so you never lose track of when your meals should be ready. Pepper Plate is a complete cooking app, and I bet you would use this even after your party. Cocktail Flow. Your guests will be impressed with your bartending skills when you use Cocktail Flow, available on iOS and Android. The app gives you detailed drink recipes. Plan ahead of time by having a cocktail menu for your guests. You can customize the drinks for your guests by liquor, drink type, and strength. You are sure to get high on this app, but here's some friendly advice. Drink responsibly. Party Mixer. After food and drinks, the most important thing in a party is good music. And Party Mixer is your go-to app for it. This app lets you play 2 tracks at the same time and crossfade between them like a DJ. You can work on the pitch and tempo too for a smooth transition. Prepare your own playlist or let the app play on its own with the auto DJ mode. After all, it is your party. DJing it up won't cause any harm, right? Heads up! The best way to mingle with all your guests is to play some games. No, you don't have to set up complex boards or go find those playing cards you used months ago. Set people up with a game full of laughs. Heads Up! It is available on both iOS and Android, so everyone in party can download it within minutes. The player selects a category and then holds the phone to their forehead so other players can see the screen. The other players act out what's on the screen so you can guess what it is. Category options are celebrities, animals, movies, and more. You can continue the night by exploring more such games on the App Store and take your party to the next level. Share some of your party ideas with us and stay tuned.